In a world where keyboards transcend mere functionality, the Epomaker RT100 keyboard emerges as an extraordinary specimen. With a captivating retro-centric design featuring a control knob and mini display, it sets a new benchmark for keyboard innovation. Equipped with 97 keys, including a numpad and specialized arrow keys, the Epomaker RT100 adopts a 95% layout, distinctively smaller than the standard 104-key full-size keyboard. Both the mini display and knob are constructed from plastic, the knob featuring a clickable center button and producing a distinct clicking sound due to its notched actuation. Notably, this knob lacks stops, enabling continuous rotation in both directions. It comes preset for media control functions, such as volume adjustments and music playback. The RT100 showcases robust PBT keycaps designed with an MDA profile, ensuring easy identification and prevention of inadvertent touches. This keyboard also boasts hot swappable Kale switch sockets compatible with both 3-pin and 5-pin switches. Underneath, the RT100 reveals substantial rubber pads and rubberized dual height adjusting feet rises with firm hinges, ensuring a wobble-free typing experience. These elements, combined with the gasket-mounted design, offer a gentle and adaptable feel while typing. The adjustable two-stage feet prove invaluable for accommodating diverse typing angles, enhancing overall comfort and providing optimal support for wrists, shoulders, and neck. An outstanding practical feature of the RT100 is its compatibility across Windows, macOS, and iOS, ensuring seamless utilization across various devices and operating systems. The triple connection options include Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Type-C wired, while Bluetooth connectivity allows up to 3 simultaneous device pairings, a boon for multitasking. Additionally, a concealed storage compartment safeguards the 2.4 GHz receiver, mitigating any potential risk of misplacement. The detachable mini LCD display of the Epomaker RT100 boasts a visually appealing retro TV monitor design coupled with functional benefits. This display not only exudes retro charm but also offers practical information like date, time, temperature, battery life, CPU usage, animated GIFs, weather forecasts, and keyboard battery levels. These features are customizable according to user preferences. While the battery indicator remains accurate, the time reading becomes less precise when the keyboard enters sleep mode. However, CPU and temperature indicators exhibit inconsistencies. The mini display connects via a concealed USB-C port within the 2.4 GHz dongle compartment, non-magnetized, though an issue arises when the dongle obstructs the USB-C port, preventing mini display attachment. The mini display USB-C port exclusively supports the display's functionality and cannot be used for other purposes. Enhanced versatility allowing the port to charge external devices would have been advantageous. Additionally, a separate USB-C port powers the keyboard, positioned at the front right side. Another downside involves the mini display design, protruding from the keyboard and exposing it to potential damage. When connected, the mini display increases the RT100 keyboard's depth and height to 16 cm and 6.5 cm, respectively. Without it, dimensions are 38.5 cm in length and 14 cm in depth. The top row of keys measures 5 cm with short feet and 5.5 cm with tall feet, while the bottom row stands at 3.5 cm. The RT100 weighs 990 grams. For RGB lighting, the Epomaker RT100 employs south-facing LEDs that allow full customization, illuminating the area under the keycaps. It's noteworthy that stock keycap fonts are not transparent, preventing lighting from shining through. The RT100's wired connectivity ensures uninterrupted use even when the battery is depleted, approximately 20 hours when using Bluetooth with maximum brightness. Battery conservation sees the keyboard enter sleep mode and deactivate RGB lighting after 30 seconds of inactivity. While beneficial for battery life, an adjustable auto sleep duration via the Epomaker driver software would have been advantageous. Unfortunately, the software lacks this feature, unless VIA software is used, which isn't compatible with the RT100. For VIA enthusiasts, the CIDOOV65 offers compatibility. The Epomaker driver software enables key remapping, customization of 4 shortcut groups, macro programming, RGB lighting adjustments, and personalized mini display settings.